funny. Watch.
John, why are you wearing a slipper? John!
Because they're not.
We can play the next game.
Yeah, I paid for this game. I paid for
That way we can have a choose. Go, Vanessa! You can do reset. You can reset. I-reset mo. Mama, tubig ka na. Ano ba? Kanal. Oh, who's next? Jaylord. Who's next? Jaylord na. Si Jaylord. Okay ka na, Day? Aba, nag-skate lang siya. Okay na siya. Gani man. Oh, kanal ne. Ne, ang mga pensa sa tunga. Ang mga pensa sa tunga.
Lo!
Go, Jay! Oh, another canal. Another gutter. How much per game?
It was 1,000 because it's per person. I paid 1,000. I have it in my phone. Look.
Wow!
1,100 for all of us. Because
How many people? 5 people?
170
So
per person.
we can add Tito Junjun
And
and
then 50 to rent.
50 each.
Watch Italy. Like I said, that they've never bowled before.
No, they never did.
So I paid for it.
So, do the spare ni. What time they close?
I don't know. She's watching. She's
Oh, another gutter. No. Your turn.
Hi,
Okay.
he's gonna go. Go for me.
No, because you don't look at the thing.
Oh,
Oh, another gutter. John, you see the arrow? May arrow. You see the arrow? Ang nakulokon mong arrow sa center ni. Nancy.
she go. Oh.
Oh,
Wow.
3 spare niya. After the oh, they only got like 1 more game.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. After we'll play another game. Oh, gutter again. Wow.
Oh, much better.
Gutter again. Madala ka na eh.
Ay!
Ala, Nene! Wala pa, ginaboy mo. Oh, you need help. You need help. I got stuck. Yeah, may helper na sila. Dali lang, ne. May helper na sila. One pen.
They're just doing that.
Well, we'll pay for another game. Center. Wait, Nate, wait. Napakabuela sa kilid mo, no? Wait, Dai, wait. Oh, go for it. Go, Dai. Kung nagapustahan, ay naperde ka, kid. Hindi, wala ko dito. Ay, Nene! Ne, you have to wait sa ano nga magsaka. Yung laton mo nga magsaka ang bar.
They're having fun.
Nervous ako sa'yo.
The two youngest.
Yeah, got her.
One more game.
One more game and then we'll pay.
And then they can get their shoes.
Yeah. Wait, you gotta wait. Okay, go.
John. Wait.
You have to
Okay,
wait.
okay.
Yeah, wait. Oh, go. Okay, center.
Wow.
Okay. May isa pa, spare. Oh, no,
Oh,
you're
that's
done. Ne, wait.
Oh, wait.
That's it. You're done.
Oh, no. One more for everybody. What's that?
That's it.
Wow.
That's it. So we'll go play another game. How many of you will play?
They want to come back tomorrow.
Tomorrow
Wait,
or leaving?
no more.
Wait, no more. Isa pa ka-game. Gusto sila mag-game. Dali lang, wait. Okay, go over there.
Wala pa?
Mag-game. Hindi, tama na na. Die, that's it. You wanna play? Where? Oh, the 10, go. 10, may 10 pa, 10, go. Yeah, throw a number 10. My last. John, mag-throw ka, i-follow up mo. I'll try, wait. Oh, wait. Wait, ne. Wait. Oh, yeah, no. Let's take it. Oh, yeah, take. I mean, i-follow up kung pula. Hindi ako pula. Kalang. Nag-stuck ang pula sa ako niya, Tam. I-follow up niya pa. Isa pa. Kwa kapulang na iko. mag-trade ako. Sige, mag-game ko. Nag-stock up. Daming sugay ng white kamuling. Yeah, okay. No, because ang nadlo ko sa sapatos. No, na-intimidate ko eh.
Oh my goodness, they took over. That's funny to watch.
Sis, right, you have to have good shoes.
You play one again, put that your name and my name and then my name.
Sapatos. Hoy! Sapatos. Hoy! Nolog. John! We'll play another game. Sapatos. Kaya nga ako, hindi sapatos. Doon ka mag-throw.
And then, oh, enjoy, ano, alala ko.
Yeah, we have to have, yeah, okay ah.
The parents took over.
Noy, puro gijagata lang aboy. Okay, wait, Noy. Stop. Oh, go. Ano yung mo size shoes, John? Anong size ang shoes mo? 10? Ah, sige ah. Okay, wait ah. Wait lang ah. Mabalo sa sako may naka-strike. Mabalo siya. You have to have good shoes. Oh, go there, go. You know why? Kinadlock ka magaboy kaya ang sapatos naton. So, let's go pay.
Like father, like son, watch. Watch.
Whoop! Nakaboy niya lang eh. Wait. Let's go pay.